Once logged into MyTax, look for the role selection and select Employer Representative. Choose the company for which you need to submit the CP22. Navigate to the top of the dashboard and click on As Hassle Services. Select CP22. Before proceeding, double-check that the employer information is correct, then click Next to continue. Now, you're ready to upload the CP22 text file. You have two methods for submitting data. First is upload a text file you've prepared earlier. Second is enter data manually. Click to upload the text file. Select the file you've downloaded earlier. Click Upload. After uploading, the system will notify you whether the upload was successful or if there are any issues with the file format. Once the file is correctly formatted, you'll see the list of employees in Part B of the form. If any details need to be updated, click the Update button next to the employee's name. If you need to add any additional information, you can do so here. After you've reviewed all the employee details and made any necessary changes, click Next to proceed. Fill in the designation. Once everything is correct, click Sign and Send to submit the CP22 form. You'll be asked to enter your MyTax password and IC number to authenticate the submission. You'll have the option to print a copy of the CP22 form for your records. Click Print CP22. And that's how you submit your CP22 via MyTax.